In today's gospel, on this Tuesday of the fourth week of Lent, we hear about Jesus and a healing that he performs at the sheep gate in Jerusalem. He approaches a pool called Bethesda, and he comes upon a man who had been ill for 38 years. And Jesus sees him there and he asks him, "Do you want to be well?" And the sick man answers, "Yeah, I do, but I have nobody to put me into the pool." Jesus immediately says, "Rise, take up your mat, and walk." And it happens. So there's nothing particularly striking about this, uh, except what you read in the next line, where it says, "Now that day was a Sabbath." So it says the Jews approach the man who was cured, and they say, it's the Sabbath. You shouldn't be carrying your mat." And the man says, "The man who made me well told me, take up your mat and walk." And of course, they want to know who it is. And he says he doesn't know. Jesus has slipped away, but they find Jesus. They find Jesus. And at the end of the gospel, it says the Jews began to persecute Jesus because he did this on a Sabbath. It's not the healing that is so striking about this story, although it's a wonderful thing. It is that this is new. He's curing on the Sabbath. And the Jewish leaders are not happy with this. Jesus is doing something new, something that they are not used to. So the message for us, I think, is that Jesus is telling us, just as he was telling the leaders of his time, that there's never a wrong time to heal. There's never a wrong time to bring healing into our own lives. We can't cure each other of illnesses, but we can heal our relationships. And so Jesus is telling us today that it's always the right time to make things new. There's never a wrong time to heal ourselves, to bring about healing between ourselves and those whom we love.